Everything have to be like so.
Beast. Yeah, you gotta have a love of the game.
We understand, like, you know, like if you lay on your couch all day, you know, just yeah.
Well, and you could listen to whole records too. You listen to the whole album.
If you go to the gym, you get up. Go to the gym, you can also get up and change the record.
Yeah. It's like riding a motorcycle. You're risking your life, but it's love of the game. Yeah. Like riding a bicycle.
Exactly.
The truck, the beast. Practicing our zoom. And the UFOs, we're looking. Ooh, some interesting clouds.
What do you think? What's your end game?
Oh, I didn't hear that. That's funny. What line? Somebody says that, then you go, I don't know. What's your bandwidth?
I said no. Just get my ass off the couch.
Yeah.
That's my end
Oh yeah,
game.
yeah. Well, what's your mission or something? Yeah, something to do.
Yeah.
How about that?
You want to know my true opinion?
Have fun. Make art, get stoned, bike around. Yeah, enjoy the day. Give out some socks, give out some roaches, some joints. And film some stuff too. Definitely some filming. What's your shirt say? Konnichiwa?
Tampopo. Tampopo.
What's that mean?
Means butterfly.
Wow. Trip on that.
What's you know that movie Tampopo? You ever see it?
Heard of it.
Yeah, that's Jizu Utami. Amazing film. Amazing film. I'm not talking too much. Yep.
Go look for some.
Great, dude.
Go see who's jamming.
It's a western, Japanese western, but some cowboys, ramen shop owners.
Ah, right, the ramen.
Jizu Utami made 7 movies. The last one is exposing the Yakuza, the gangsters, and then after a month after it came out, they threw them out a window.
Man, they didn't like it, or they liked it a lot.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Maybe right on target.
Say.
It's a good movie.
Could have just been one hater. Kendrick Castillo, Jeep fam. Safety Orange. Shouts to Vice. Shouts to Erwan. Shouts to Bronson. Only for Dolphins, dropping soon. Shouts to Zinc. Venice Teriyaki, Hanano. Clean Cause. Donates 50%. Shouts to Ray Bradbury. 50% of profits to support addiction. That's big. That's what your boy would like to see. 50% of profits. That's just big time. That's all right. We'll tube it. All right, onward.
Yep.
Onward.
Jizu Utami, man. It's good director.
Nice bikes.
Thanks, man.
Bike game. Gotta do it. Skaters. Oh yeah, green team. Very nice. Good cloudage. This is good UFO sky. So people just find socks. They see socks, they know I need socks. They do, huh?
Yeah.
What's going on over there? Activity. Alright, everyone's flocking to the beach. We better follow. Let's put up some art.